Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify keeps pausing on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, how can we fix this issue? So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So the first solution is update your Spotify app. So for the update, open the App Store and search here Spotify. So here is the Spotify app. So guys, if the update is available on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the update your Spotify to the latest version. So I have the updated version on my iPhone. So guys, the second solution is check your internet connection. For the check, tap here and tap on Google. So my internet is slow, so internet is working good. So the next solution is close and relaunch the Spotify app. So open and close. So and the next solution is guys, enable background app refresh on your iPhone. So for the enable, go to settings, go to general, go to background app refresh. So tap here. So guys, if this turned off, so tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data to turn this background app refresh on your iPhone. So the next solution is keep the Bluetooth device nearby the iPhone. So guys, if you have connected Bluetooth device to playing music, so nearby the iPhone. So the next solution is disable low power mode on your iPhone. So guys, if you have enabled low power mode on your iPhone, so turn off the low power mode on your iPhone. So guys, the next solution is uninstall and reinstall Spotify app. So uninstall app and reinstall app. So guys, here are the simple solutions to fix your Spotify keeps pausing issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.